So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video I'll be unboxing my iPad Air M3 case. So let's see how that goes. So this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the packaging that you'll receive if you're ordering this product from Amazon. So this is the case, very normal packaging because the price also is very less. You can see it is just wrapped it in the plastic bag. Let's remove this, but before that on the bottom you can see the price. It's mentioned as 1999. On the left side you can see the models are mentioned, but obviously the price is not that high. I have bought it for way cheaper than this. You can click on the link in the description to get the live price at that moment. So the case is good. Inside we have this. Let's keep this aside. On the back side you have the hard case. You can see the finishing is quite good. On this side for the front part you have the rubber material, and for the inside one you have a velvet type finish so that you can protect your iPad from scratches. This is the hard side of it. Let me put my iPad in this and get back to you. So here it goes. As you can see, the fit is very good and perfect. You can see the Apple logo from behind. Also the Apple Pencil Pro gets connected over here very easily magnetically. I have also created a dedicated video of unboxing this iPad and the pencil. Also how I availed this pencil for free using the Apple back to school offer. All the links are provided in description as well as in the I button. You can check those out. The cuttings you can see are very precise, which made me impressed about this case. So yeah, that's it about this product. If you want to buy, you can click on the link and let me know in the comments what do you think about the case. Hit the like button, the subscribe button to get regular videos like this. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.